Initially, when I started, my teeth were in good condition. And then I went into nurses training, and therefore I laxed all this, which was really bad because I could see it was getting worse and worse and worse. And with each child, after 4, I lost 4 teeth. It really didn't bother me, only I kept looking at myself in the mirror and found that I have less and less teeth. And I didn't like the way that looked.
With Dolores, we had a lot of issues. She had a lot of oral problems, so we had to do a lot of grafts before going to the big surgery. So basically what we had, it's to reconstruct her bone, to put solid so we can place implants on her. And she was looking for a better smile. I said, Dolores, it's gonna take some time, but we're gonna get you there.
We made appointments to start the procedure, and they were very good. What impressed me very much was that when I'm a patient and I'm a nurse, I know some of it, but 40 years I've been out of the field. I do like things explained to me right away. What are you doing? What is in that? And all that. And they were very thorough in doing that, which relaxed me too. And after that, then we started on one treatment after another.
She definitely didn't want something removable. So we explained to her, if you want something fixed, we need to reconstruct your bone, have a solid bone before placing the implants. And so that was quite some challenging case and excellent result.
When we were done, I realized that we had a full arch on the top and a full arch on the bottom. We were very pleased, with the results. And it's just a little bit of getting used to a different mouth again, Oh, what a difference. Now I can smile enough. As far as investing in the procedure and everything, it has been one of the best. My only regret is I should have done it earlier. Other than that, if I knew I was going to look like this 20 years ago, I probably would have considered it way, way quicker than I did now. In conclusion, I would say that Dr. Saba and his wife, Caroline, both gave me very, very good treatments, and we were very satisfied with the way they handled everything, explained everything, and I think we made a very good choice when we decided to come here.